Have you ever wondered what it could feel like to drive worry-free of speeding tickets? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can with the AL Priority radar laser system we installed on this BMW M3. We always do preliminary testing with laser guns to help us determine the most powerful combination of laser jammers with the best placement. After extensive testing, we have determined our setup for this vehicle will jam the Dragon Eye 100% of the time. The Dragon Eye is the hardest laser gun to jam that law enforcement uses. Laser jammer housings were fabricated for the front and rear of the vehicle, which allows us to hide the jammers and to not modify the vehicle when routing the wires. The front and rear radar detectors are hidden behind the bumpers and will alert you of law enforcement from ahead and behind. On the interior of the vehicle, the AL controller was molded into the overhead panel for a factory appearance, and the multicolor LED was mounted into a fabricated part on the steering wheel shroud. Main components were mounted to a bracket in the trunk with the fabricated cover panel. All the wires were shortened to length and labeled for serviceability. In these video clips, you can see what law enforcement sees when the laser jammers are on and off. With this system, you can program them to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so you can slow down to a speed you're okay with law enforcement getting a reading of. We also designed vehicle-specific skid plates that protect your bumper without drilling any holes so you can drive worry-free. If you are interested, click on the link in the description below. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.